Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Never Wet Spray is probably one of the most revolutionary waterproofing products on the market, promising to protect your valuable items from water damage with its innovative hydrophobic formula. In this video, we will put Never Wet Spray to the test, exploring its ease of use, durability, and overall effectiveness in various real-world scenarios, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your waterproofing needs. Number 5. Gold Standard Suede Protector Spray. This is the ultimate solution for protecting your suede shoes from water damage and stains. It's easy to use and provides long-lasting protection. Watch how it beads water, keeping your suede shoes dry and looking their best. Say goodbye to water spots and stains. This spray is specially formulated for suede, providing superior protection without altering the natural look and feel of the material. Simply spray it on, let it dry, and you're ready to go. It's that simple to protect your investment. Enjoy lasting protection against water and stains. It's a smart investment for your favorite suede shoes. You can trust Gold Standard for quality and performance. It's the perfect choice for keeping your suede shoes looking new. What we like. If you have suede shoes that need protection from water damage, this is the product for you. It provides superior water repellency while maintaining the look and feel of your shoes. This specialized formula is perfect for keeping your suede footwear looking its best, even in wet conditions. What people say. Works as advertised. I have gone through rain and no wet feet. I also work in a machine shop and my shoes still look brand new. This powerful advanced formula offers superior protection against water and stains, making it an essential addition to any sneakerhead's arsenal. The innovative formula fights moisture and creates a protective barrier that repels liquids. I noticed that water beads up and rolls right off my shoes, keeping them dry even during rainy days. It works wonders on a wide range of shoe materials, including nubuck, canvas, nylon, mesh, fabric, leather, and even white shoes. Number 4. Rust-Oleum Never Wet Kit. Never Wet is a multi-purpose kit that repels moisture and keeps surfaces dry. It's perfect for a variety of materials, both indoors and out. Use it on metal, wood, concrete, and more. It creates a waterproof surface that repels water, keeping your surfaces clean and dry. This technically advanced formula causes water to bead up and roll right off. Say goodbye to water damage. It's easy to apply and covers up to 10 square feet. It dries to the touch in just 30 minutes. While it offers durable protection, for maximum benefit, allow it to fully cure for 12 hours before exposing it to water. Periodic reapplication may be needed. It dries to a sleek, silver gray finish. Always test it in an inconspicuous area first. What we like. If you are looking for a versatile waterproofing solution for various surfaces, this is your best bet. Its advanced formula creates a waterproof barrier that repels moisture effectively. This makes it ideal for protecting a wide range of items, both indoors and outdoors, from the elements. What people say. I am pleased with the result of the product on cardboard. I have included a video of a test piece of cardboard to show how effective it is. I also put the product on some packing material that I use for an on-demand camp shower. I wanted to protect the packing material because the camp shower equipment might be wet when stored and I did not want it to create a soggy mess of it. I tested Rust-Oleum Never Wet and 7 other artists' fixatives, lacquer, and solvent-based clear finishes on water media artwork. Most of the finishes worked, but Never Wet excelled in 2 areas. First was its water shedding ability. Water rolls right off or beads up. Second is that it was one of the clearest finishes I tried. Even 4 of the 5 brands of artists' fixative I tested created a very faint white tint to the paper, but I didn't see that with Never Wet. The 2-part mix works well. It makes what it is coated just a little bit stiffer, and has a milky haze to it when dried. But if it can keep me dry at the bottom of the lake, it will work great on shoes, boots, camper canvas and anything that the milky haze isn't a problem for. Number 3. Fabric Waterproof Spray. It's easy to use, just spray it on, let it dry, and watch water bead right off. It restores repellency to fabrics and vinyl, protecting your outdoor gear. This water-based formula won't harm your fabrics like harsh solvent-based sprays. It creates a protective barrier without blocking breathability. With its large 22-ounce bottle, it's perfect for waterproofing a wide variety of items, from boat covers to clothing. It's versatile and effective. It's a premium product made with a non-PFOA formula and UV protection. We're committed to quality and your satisfaction. As a family-owned American business, we're dedicated to providing top-quality boat and RV care products. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction. What we like. If you need a waterproof spray for fabrics and vinyl that won't damage the material, this is the one. It creates a breathable barrier that keeps water out while allowing air to circulate. This is perfect for outdoor gear like tents, boat covers, and outdoor furniture, keeping them dry and protected without compromising breathability. What people say. Gear stayed dry. Did a great job at waterproofing. The water beads up, just like I want. Number 2. JobSite Grizzly Grease Leather Protector. This leather protector helps keep your favorite leather items looking their best. It prevents drying, cracking, and protects against stains and scuffs. Say goodbye to barnyard waste and other messes soaking into your boots. It creates a protective barrier to keep it clean. This is an industry favorite with a time-tested formula. It's been a reliable choice for over 75 years. It's perfect for boots, shoes, belts, saddles, gloves, and more. Protect all your valuable leather and vinyl items. Remember, it may darken light or soft leathers. It's not suitable for suede or nubuck. Give your leather items the long-lasting protection they deserve. Keep them looking and feeling great for years to come. What we like. If you have leather items that need protection from the elements and wear and tear, this product is a great choice. Its time-tested formula helps prevent drying, cracking, and staining, keeping your leather goods looking their best for years to come. This is especially useful for work boots and other leather items exposed to harsh conditions. What people say. I used mink oil for years on my leather boots, leather tool bags, leather belt tool holders, you name it, I got in leather. Point I'm trying to make is that this stuff stains less than mink oil but provides pretty darn good waterproofing. After they wear dry, I put one glove on and held my hand under the bathroom faucet full blast for 1 minute, rotating my hand to try and soak the glove. No water came through at all and the coating gave the gloves a nice darker finish which looks good. Now looking good in terms of waterproofing after 2 successively applied layers on pair of black leather walking shoes. Very little odor from Grizzly grease at all. Number 1. JobSite Water Repellent Spray. This amazing spray protects your favorite shoes, boots, and apparel from the elements. It's perfect for keeping your gear dry and clean, no matter the conditions. It wicks away water, oil, and mud, so you can focus on the job at hand. Say goodbye to soggy socks and muddy boots. It provides an invisible shield against liquids and stains, without altering the look or feel of your fabrics. It's like having a superpower for your gear. It's great for boots, shoes, sporting gear, outerwear, bags, camping gear, and more. It's the ultimate all-purpose water repellent. Simply spray it on outdoors or in a well-ventilated area. Always remember to read the instructions on the can before use. With JobSite Water Repellent Spray, your gear will stay dry, clean, and protected, no matter what life throws your way. Get yours today. What we like. If you like the idea of waterproofing without altering the appearance of your items, this is the perfect option. It provides invisible protection against water, oil, and mud, keeping your gear dry and clean without changing its look or feel. This makes it ideal for a wide range of items, from shoes and boots to sporting gear and outerwear. What people say. It took a few coats, but it worked great. I stepped in a few puddles and the water ran right off the booty. Used on soft leather tan boots. No discoloration at all. I've used this on boots and jackets with good success. No staining or discoloration that I've found. It seems to provide decent to above average ability to shed water, and seems to last pretty long as well. The spray itself is easy to use, the button press is easy and the spray is uniform, which is nice for ensuring good coverage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.